Today I will talk about how can you add a second account on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app to add accounts. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on options here. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click here on account. Then you come to this list here. And here can you scan new account you have, your account, or just click in this sign. You click here on sign in. So then it's going to take you to add your new account or second account on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.